Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Adaora. On today's video I'm going to be unboxing my newest kitchen addition. This is a new blender. I bought this from Amazon with my money, so this is not a sponsored video, okay? So the reason I'm making this video is because I've gotten lots of questions, people asking me the brand of blender that I use. So in my previous videos I showed like myself using blenders to blend corns, beans, and in my tomato paste series I use blender a lot in those videos. So I got so many questions. What is the name of your blender? Where did you get it from? So the fact is that those blenders I used in those videos are no longer in the market, okay? Those blenders were I think light, I don't even remember the name, but I'll put it in the put it on the screen when I'm editing this video, okay? So those particular brand are no longer in the market. Those blenders are so good. Like I tried to repurchase them, but I couldn't find them in the market. So I went on search to see the next available and affordable thing that I can get for myself to use. So I saw this one. It has a 4.7 stars review, which is not a bad thing for a blender, and again it's not so expensive. So I'm like, why not try this? And again, the brand is from a well-known brand. You guys are gonna see it very soon. I'm like, let me just give it a try. So I'm going to unbox this now so we can all see the brand I got. I'm going to bring it out, guys. Guess the brand. Guess the brand. Okay, did you guess right? Yeah, let's keep this aside. So this is the brand I got. This is Ninja Detect. So I know that people like say good things about Ninja, and again I have a food processor in this brand, okay? I have a Ninja food processor and it's serving me well, so I'm like, why not just try their blender as well? So let me go ahead and unbox this. Let me tell you guys how much I bought this. So this is it, Ninja Detect, and I got this for $129, so let's just say $130. That's how much I bought this, $129 or $130. So I didn't get the cups because you can also get it with the smoothie cups, but I don't need that. I already have blender for smoothies, so I only got this, which is just the blender, okay? So of course it has a manual, and let's see how many volts this blender is. I'm sure it's written somewhere in this manual. So I bought this because like it showed that you can blend all of these things here, which is what I'm hoping to use it for. You can blend smoothies, nuts, vegetables, you know, all of those things. So I'm like, why not? Oh, this is the cover. It's just exactly like the food processor cover that I have. So this is the base, okay? I love the fact that it has this suction that can hold it down when you are blending stuff to prevent it from moving and shaking, okay? So I love it. See, see, so I love this function, something on the bottom, okay? Then this is the jar. This is a total of 8 cups, which is 64 ounces. has the maximum capacity. And okay, I love the fact that this is easily detached so that you can easily wash the blender. This is the cover. This is the cover. Let's go ahead and nice and very sturdy. Guys, so far I'm going to take this to the kitchen and plug it in so we see the functions, the various functions it has. Guys, I love the fact that it has a spout for pouring whatever you just blended. It's a very nice thing to incorporate in a blender. It has a spout. And I'm going to come back later and update you guys and tell you if this blender is worth buying or not. Okay, so keep an eye on my subsequent videos. Okay, and so far I love the look. It looks very fancy and it looks very sturdy. Okay, so far I'm just loving the look. I don't know how strong it is in terms of blending stuff, but so far I'm impressed. I love the color combination. I love how classy it is, and I love how big it is. So yes, I'm gonna give it 10 over 10 for right now, but I'll come back in my other videos and I'll tell you guys if it's worth buying or not. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please watch my other videos, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share my videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.